Ako na may pulis ako ng klase. Nagkuwani. Balik-likas.
Balikan.
Game na, sir.
A video game designer used their creativity.
Ate ba siya? Ito yung post ko na po.
Sorry, ma'am. A video game designer uses their creativity to develop the main aspects of a video game, from helping from the story and characters to planning how user interact with each feature of the game.
Kasi future.
Ay, yeah. Future.
Picture na, guys.
Okay, ang sa'yo trabaho.
Okay, designer, ma'am.
Yeah. In other words, trabaho. Mag-usap ka siya, designer of video. So next.
Ang dalagi.
Determinated step.
Hala. May makeup na
Makeup
po eh.
artists use their creative artistry to enhance the beauty of a client using whose product as their picture. Makeup artists work for various
Pabadlong pa.
including event fashions and entertainment. Some professionals also chose to work in special effect makeup, creative character, vlogs, film, movie, and stage production.
Ugamas pa.
Isa daw na.
Makeup.
Sumunod pa sa makeup.
Makeup artist, ma'am. Makeup, ilang mga ano.
Hindi.
Fashion. Kung ang pag-makeup na i-change yung panungitan ni ang now, yung ato ng mura ni alien, mausad yun siya completely. Nandili digital, yung sa'yo tawag na na makeup. So yung gamit ana.
Luwagay sa camera guys.
Pero wala na di-adjust yung face nila.
Luwagay sa camera.
Prosthetics, ang tawag prosthetics, kinabagutan na ng mga rubber, i-change din yung mga prosthetics. Makeup artist ba?
Oh, enough po.
Actually, pareho ka ba sa upan?
Art director of the visual design of a competition. This of the media of production, creative person and tell a story. Or scene ambition using graphics.
Mga selfish
Visually
yun.
of color and font.
Muna kitawag mo, dili mo.
In a film of stage production, the
Sige lang
art
natin, hindi matatapos.
establishes the overall artistic theme of the film. Customize and organize the landscape choices. And an art director may also choose to work in the field of advertising using their advertising using their creativity to blend artistic provision with marketing.
Sa daw na.
Art director.
So, ito ka sa director yan. In other words, ito ka sa director.
Hindi siya ang director.
Visual design.
Si visual design.
Ano artist mo ba?
Si artist. Ano kasi coach niya?
Mag-layout mo ba?
Siya ang
Director.
tig-director.
What is game mo ba? What is game?
Hindi po. Nasa sa